Ghost and Magento, two powerhouses in the e-commerce world facing off in a clash for supremacy. Which one really delivers? On the left, Ghost, the modern, minimalist publishing platform turned commerce contender. On the right, Magento, the robust and feature-packed giant trusted by thousands. We're putting them through real-world challenges that actually matter: performance, customization, pricing, ease of use, scalability, and more. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Let's get into it. Alright, before we get our hands dirty, here's a look at the roadmap. We're comparing Ghost and Magento across 5 main categories: raw power, stealth and infiltration, intelligence, durability, and, you guessed it, versatility. So buckle up, we're in for a ride. First up, raw power. Ghost, honestly kinda sneaky here, impressive kinetic energy and can get pretty strong when fully manifesting. Not bad, but kind of hits a wall when facing non-physical enemies, right? Now Magento, oh man, this guy literally manipulates the Earth's entire magnetic field. He's picking up cities, tossing tanks, building force fields. Okay, his power does drain with extreme effort, but come on, it's Magento. This round is all him. Magento takes raw power, no contest. Next, let's dive into stealth and infiltration. Ghost is basically built for this, totally invisible, can go intangible, slip through any locked door, walls, whatever. The only catch is, if she attacks, you can actually see her. But who expects to get ninja'd by a ghost anyway? Magneto's no slouch. He can fly stealthily and silently manipulate metal, which is pretty cool, but his power leaves a magnetic signature, so not exactly invisible. Yeah, this one's easy. Ghost is the absolute queen of stealth. Now, on to intelligence. Ghost, definitely experienced, ex-government agent, knows her way around sabotage and espionage, but I've got to say she likes to keep things pretty straightforward. Magento, this dude is a mastermind. He's basically the boss of mutant tactics and revolutionary science, started the Brotherhood, and he's outsmarted the X-Men more than once. He can be emotional and a bit impulsive, but honestly, the sheer brain power here puts Magento on top. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know: Magento once went head-to-head with the Phoenix Force and actually resisted it. The Phoenix Force, we're talking cosmic, reality-bending power, so yeah, that's definitely something to brag about. Durability is kind of a toss-up, honestly. Ghost has a massive edge when she's intangible, can't hit what you can't touch, right? But she needs to be solid to fight so she can get caught off guard. Magneto's got magnetic shields and can take a beating, especially from most mutants, but if you surprise him or, I guess, hack his helmet, he's got vulnerabilities too. Bottom line, both have their flaws and strengths. This one's a straight-up tie. And finally, versatility. Ghost is tricky. She can disrupt tech and even fly a little, which is cool, but she just doesn't have the range of tricks Magento has. Magento isn't just about moving metal. He literally manipulates gravity, throws energy, and can mess with stuff on a global scale. If there's metal around, the possibilities are nuts. Downsides? He does need metal to get really creative, but still, Magento just does more. He nabs the win here. Now, if you look at this chart, you'll see Magneto's rating just kinda spikes off the page for power and versatility, but Ghost is way up there for stealth. It's like comparing an invisible ninja to a moving natural disaster. Each has their distinct zones of total domination. So here's what I think. If you want to sneak past every alarm on Earth and take down evil corporations from the shadows, it's gotta be Ghost. But if you start talking about all-out war, mutant battles, or literally changing the world, Magento just runs away with it. He's just in a different league when it comes to raw power and cunning. If you enjoyed this mutant showdown, you know what? Stick around and hit that subscribe button for more epic Marvel face-offs. There's so much more chaos to come.